Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Have you seen that amazing video that go and have a look up here, that with the guy trying to charge up a racing car with a lemon battery? So I thought, oh, I know, I'm going to show you how to draw a lemon battery. So this is going to be the lemon, so that you need to circle two little circles on the end so that you can kind of draw and get that lemon shape. And then we're going to want to put two cuts in there, and then on this side we're going to draw a galvanized nail. You need a galvanized nail because it's galvanized with zinc, and you need zinc and copper, and here we're going to have a bit of copper metal that's been badly cut out, stuck into the lemon. And then we want to have the clip. It's going to be something like that, and then here again we want to have a clip with a kind of, you know, that rubbery plasticky thing on the end, and we want the wire coming we're going to have the wire coming around like that, and we want this wire to come around here, because here we are going to have another clip like that and another clip there, and that's going to be something like that. This is just getting it all done. Draw this bit very, very gently so you can erase it all later, because now look here, we're going to have, I think we need to have that a bit closer actually there, so quite close. So here we're going to have an LED going ting ting ting. Right, let's draw this in. So let's start. This is the head of the nail, and I'm going to draw the kind of the rubbery plastic bit of the crocodile clip. This is going to come here and zigzag, 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 zig, and then around like that, and that's going to bring the nail coming in behind it there. Okay, and then this can be around the back there. Put a little bit of shadow under the nail just to kind of make it look more exciting. You can put a bit more shadow there as well. And then we're going to have, that's where the nail goes into the lemon. You can put some shadow in there. And we're going to want something similar going on here. So we'll have, this is kind of the plasticky rubbery bit of the crocodile clip, and there's the crocodile teeth. That's going to come around there, and then let's have this really badly cut out bit of copper like that, and then maybe a little bit of shadow underneath there. That's where it's cut and put into the lemon, and we're going to want to see the other side of the crocodile clip too. We could maybe add some coppery style look, shininess. Now we can do the lemon actually, can't we? So that needs to have this kind of crinkly kind of edge to it like that, and you know, you just need to colour that in yellow, don't you? And that will come around there like that, and it's probably a bit shiny as well, so we can put sort of shiny marks in there like that, maybe there too, and maybe you could give it some kind of dots as well. Now let's come here and do these two bits of plasticky, you know, these sort of, it's kind of a rubbery plastic, isn't it, that they use on those crocodile clip things. And so that's going to come like that, and it's sideways on, so we don't really see the teeth. And we want those two little things for a pin coming there to the LED, which is going to be around there, ping, 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 to let you know it's shining. We could write in, couldn't we, LED, and then I think we can come all the way around there like that, and we can come all the way around there like that to make the wire that joins that up is a bit wobbly there, and we can bring that wire around. So the nail is going to be negative, and the copper is going to be positive. Now when you are sure that the ink is all dried, then you can erase all those pencil lines. You can add an extra little bit of shadow there. And there you go, how to draw a lemon battery. There you are. If life gives you lemons, make a lemon battery. Make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And in the meantime, I'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.